Hello guys, today I'm coming with the $1,000,000 question. What's the price to fix my water damaged Apple device? In today's video, we are going to see what criteria do we take into account when we get the price for a water damaged iPhone. He is Leonardo and today he will find a solution for this iPhone 11 with water damages. If you are a technician or if your device is an Apple one, you can't miss this tutorial. I'll present you real cases from our laboratory, so stay close. In order to access the motherboard, we have to remove the two screws and apply heat to the screen, 90 Celsius degrees, during 3-4 minutes. With the help of a plastic pick, we cut the adhesive. Here we have the first mark of humidity. As you can observe, this white sticker has changed color. As a general rule and a recommendation, turning on a water-damaged iPhone is not recommended at all. We won't be long with the disassembly process. On our YouTube channel, you can see some other tutorials with this process. We remove the screws and the protected sheet. This step is very important one. We need to remove the battery connector. The sooner, the better.
Sometimes I get so mad, there's no controlling me. My thoughts get so bad, I'm like, I might grab a bat, I don't know, my wrath, my blood boils over like, oh God, here goes. I lost all feeling from my head to my toes. You said some shit that I can't let go, so just stay tuned for the rest of the show. So have you ever see things, realize something needs change? Cause I know you got me fucked up. Let me show you what's up. Cause enough is enough. I'll take a face full of pavement just to make a statement. I know there's no turning back. Oh God, adrenaline wasted, so mad I can taste it. I know there's no turning back. I'll do what it takes, I ain't making mistakes like that. I'll play it on your face to make you go take it back. I'll lose my shit, I go crazy when I'm mad. And I ain't gon' wish you would shut the fuck up real bad.
It's time to remove the motherboard and search for humidity signs.
And now that I'm gone, yeah, I know there's no turning back. I'll fucking take smoke, I'ma poke a hole through you, choking's overdue. Come at me and you won't get any older, dude. Crack your holder too. Heating up inside.
We go to the microscope to inspect well all the connectors.
Becomes a dynasty. Oh God, adrenaline wasted, so mad I can taste it. I know
Everything indicates that the motherboard is fine, so we have to continue with the disassembly process.
face to make you go take it back. I'll lose my shit, I go crazy when I'm mad. And I ain't gon' wish you would shut the fuck up real bad.
We remove the SIM card reader. According to our customer, this device doesn't charge. When you deal with a water-damaged iPhone with no image on the screen, I recommend you to remove the battery as soon as possible. If you don't have enough experience, then I recommend you to search the nearest store into your area so they can disconnect the battery connector for you. Every water damage repair is different. The accomplishment depends on a number of factors. One of them is the elapsed time since the device has contact with liquids. It is not the same a water damaged iPhone that was in contact with liquids 2 hours ago than one that was 2 weeks ago. So the process of fixing an iPhone with water damages is different from each device. In today's video, we are going to see the price of this repair and how we calculate it. Now it's time to remove the charging connector. We go to the microscope so we can observe well this flex. This sensor is broken. It seems that the corrosion has destroyed it. One of the microphones is burned and the charging connector too. The other microphone, it doesn't look good at all. With the help of this GBC metal brush, we clean the corrosion. To clean well, we use a piece of cotton and contact cleaner. As the charging module is damaged, not worth it to repair it. So we'll test the device using an original charging flex from our workshop. Little bit we assembling the device.
I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name. Check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain. I ingest, I retain, assess and I change. Possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints. Money, clout and fame, mud, disease, a plague. We all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name. All our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy, think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where disease is on every screen. I won't let them fester me, I know most are festering. Negativity is a plague for the mentally weak. No mercy, all I got is working. Never stop searching, never quite so thirsty. I'm toxic and psychotic, but there's logic, you can't stop it. It's been chronic since I was a boy, so neurotic and chaotic. Oh! To last with the webs I'm weaving, I could change the past with all I'm achieving. Got my foot on gas, never stop competing. If you break like glass, then this life's gonna eat 'em. Make mistakes real fast, then you learn how to beat 'em. If you take off the cast, you can see all the healing. If the pain's in the past, move on from the grave and put your foot on the gas. No, never stop competing, yeah.
First, we'll check the client screen, but as it has cracks in the touch screen, I think it damaged to the humidity. If you remember the previous video, we've worked on Huawei device with the same condition.
Unhealthily spreading like a rare disease, but I won't let it get to me. I don't need your therapy, I can leave a legacy of leading by intensity. Come on, we can fight this, freedom is priceless. Spread just like a virus.
We have a charging value of 2 amperes, which is a good load. At least the motherboard indicates that it works correctly. This is a good news. So let's testing a new screen. Here we have our device working. Now we are going to see the price that we are going to charge to this customer. We'll invoice him the price of the screen, which here in Spain is about 159 euros, and apart the cost of the charging module, which is around 20 euros. So our customer is going to get his iPhone 11 like new for 179 euros. I think it's a right price and will have a satisfied customer. Guys, he's Leonardo and this was the steps to follow so you can repair a water damaged iPhone that doesn't turn on. See you soon. Bye bye.